Let's connect Google Analytics 4 to wecantrack, so your affiliate conversions land in GA4 automatically. Start in Google Analytics. Open Admin, then Data Streams, and open your web stream. Top right, copy your measurement ID. It's the code that starts with G. In the same panel, scroll down and open Measurement Protocol API Secrets. Review the terms, then click Create, and name your secret wecantrack. Copy the secret value. Treat it like a password, and keep it private. Now switch to wecantrack, open your website, and go to the Integrations tab. Find Google Analytics 4 and open it. Paste your API secret and your measurement ID into these two fields, then save your changes. Last step, open Features and switch on Google Analytics 4 integration. Here's the recap. Your measurement ID comes from data streams, your API secret from Measurement Protocol, and both go into wecantrack. Wecantrack now pushes your affiliate conversions into GA4 through the Measurement Protocol. Only clicks after you install wecantrack are tracked, and GA4 can take up to a day to show. Want to connect more platforms? Check out our other integration guides.